Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy F41. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to resolve all the underlying issues related to Google Play Store. So let's begin with that. So basically I'm assuming that maybe at your side Google Play Store is not opening. If it's opening, then it might be stuck in somewhere, or maybe you might have started a downloading of any app or any update related to the already installed app and it has been again stuck. And apart to this, your network connections are working absolutely fine with respect to other apps, but it is also failing for the Play Store. So for all these kinds of issues, there is only one tick or I would say trip, or I would say trick or tip, which I'll be going to discuss in this particular video. So for that, you just have to long press on the Google Play Store. As soon as you will do this, it will show you an overlay where it will be showing you this information icon. Just tap it here, and afterward it will open all the app info section for the Google Play Store only. So afterward you have to find storage. Just tap it here, and now you will see there is two options: clear data and clear cache. So firstly, I'll recommend to clear cache, and you can see that data contents are 5.20 MB and cache is 1.46 MB. So as soon as I'll be clicking on clear cache, the clear cache data will be cleared out. So after this, you just have to open Google Play Store and just access it and see whether all the underlying issues have been resolved or not. In most of the cases, 90 to 95% chances are that all your underlying issues will be resolved with only by clearing the cache. Even you can follow the same for any other installed app as well where you are facing issue. Just clear the cache and you are good to go. But again, after doing clear cache, if you are again facing some issues, then I'll recommend you just close the Google Play Store. Again, long press here, tap on an information icon, again move to storage section, and now again clear data, clear cache. This time you just have to tap on clear data and it will clear cache and data both, and you can see 5.17 MB data and cache 4.10 KB. As soon as I'll be clicking here, it will prompt me that all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. and so on. So there is no things to worry. So basically, it will not be going to delete any already installed app on your side. Just like that, if you have installed any app on your phone, the listing on Google Play Store will be hidden for nearly about 72 hours. But this is just a I would say at most time frame provided by Google, but sometime it will be available on the go, that I'll be showing you during this particular video. So just tap on OK, and now data and cache both have been cleared. Just close this and now again open Google Play Store. So now most of the underlying issues have been resolved. Again, after doing this part, if your issue is not resolving, then I'll recommend you to do the I would say factory data reset. But before that, let me show you by moving into my apps and games. So like I have told you that I have already cleared data and cache. That's why it is rebuilding few things and it is checking. So at this moment it is not showing me anything, but from the Google side they have prompted that it will take nearly about 72 hours to rebuild everything. But as of now on my screen, within 1 minute it has been built. So there is no thing to be worry. So as and when updates will be available, it will list out all those apps here and so on. So using this approach, you can resolve all the underlying issues for the Google Play Store. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.